Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna hit these headlights. You see how dull they are. In the past I've done this video where we work on these headlights. They don't look as bad as they look in real life, but you know, they are dull. And this time we're gonna use sandpaper and the materials that are easy accessible by general public, not just the shops. So we're gonna use 2000 grit sandpaper on this with the water. We can do wet sanding, that's the technical term. After that we're gonna use the rubbing compound, and then we're gonna use wax on it. So the first thing we're gonna do is to spray it good with water. We're gonna fold our sandpaper like this. It's better if you can use a block of wood in here, so this surface stays steady, so equal pressure on all sides. But if you don't have, you can do it like this. You gotta make sure you hit all these areas of the headlight. And you don't want to do this on a dry surface. Make sure the surface is nice and wet all the time. Let's wipe it up and see how it looks. Looks pretty good. Now we can buff it. Alright, what we're gonna use over here is this rubbing compound, available anywhere in auto parts, Walmart, Amazon, anywhere. I'll be sure to post links for that. Another thing we want to use is a rotary tool. A rotary tool is available for a few bucks. Harbor Freight is your cheapest place to go to. I got this probably like 30-40 bucks, and I use it for a lot of different stuff. You can also do it with hand, but it would take a little bit longer. So what we're gonna do is put some of this rubbing compound on the headlight. And then rub through it. So if you see right now, the difference is just the rubbing compound. And then we're gonna put a sealant on top. So just take a few minutes of your time if you do it right. Look at this, and look how it looks now. So thank you for watching these videos. If you like this video and it helps you, please click on like and subscribe the channel and become part of this small YouTube channel. See you sometime soon, somewhere again. Take care. Bye bye.